Do you want to understand how coiled tubing operations are actually performed in the field, not just theory? That's why Coiled Tubing Operations course is created, to deliver practical, structured knowledge based on real field experience. The course is introduced by Engineer Mahmoud Tariq, a petroleum engineer with over 12 years of experience in well intervention, specializing in coiled tubing and slickline operations. The course is delivered in a structured and practical way, designed in 12 sessions. In this course, you will learn everything from the fundamentals to advanced applications, including coiled tubing equipment, injector head, reel, power pack, hydraulic circuits, pressure control equipment, and bottom hole assembly. Additionally, we will cover key operations such as nitrogen lifting, wellbore cleanouts, acidizing, and real operational scenarios. Also, real case calculations are included. Join the course now through the link attached and start building real oilfield knowledge today.